time. Now you gotta fix the pump.
You're lucky.
It sounds like it's got asthma.
Yeah, it's dead, all right.
We gotta take the top off. Come on. Wait a minute. Get that crowbar, Nesthead. Right in there. Heave. Heave. Wait a minute. We'll attack it from the rear. Ready, General? Charge! It must be loose now. Out of the way till I take it off.
Careful.
Give me a match. I'll look down the pipe.